Hello students, I am Sudarshan Pal. Welcome to Sudarshan's SSC. Today I am going to discuss about an important topic of reasoning and general intelligence, that is coding and decoding. Let's start the video. In this video I am going to discuss about 5 questions of coding and decoding. These questions are arranged in easier to harder. So let's start the video. Question number 1. If computer is machine is coded as A B C D E F. Mango is sweet is coded as G H C D I J. And eat sweet fruit is coded as K L I J M N. Then what is the code for sweet? Option A B, option B G H, option C I J, and option D Amen. Here given computer is machine means A B C D E F, and mango is sweet, that means G H C D I J. Eat sweet fruit, that is K L I J M N. We have to find out the code for sweet. In the given data there are two sweets, that is in data 2 and data 3. So the code for sweet must be common in both code 2 and code 3. We have to find out what is common in both 2 and 3. We can see that IJ is common in both and IJ is absent in equation 1. So the code for sweet must be IJ. Option number C is the correct answer. So the code for is CD and the code for sweet is confirmed as IJ. Question number 2. If book is knowledge is written as MG, ML, GM. Knowledge is power is written as ML, GM, AM. And power is great is written as AM, ML, PQ. Then what is the code for the word knowledge? Option A ML, option B GM, option C AM, and option D cannot determine. Now see this data. Book is knowledge means MG, ML, GM. Knowledge is power is ML, GM, AM. And power is great is MM, ML, PQ. We have to find out the code for knowledge. So we have to see where the word knowledge is present, that is in 1 and 2. So the code for knowledge must be in only equation 1 and equation 2. We have to find out what is common. We can see that ML is common in equation 1 as well as equation 2, but it is also present in equation 3. So ML is not the code for knowledge. We have to find out the another code, that is GM. GM is present in both equation 1 and equation 2 but not in equation 3. So the code for knowledge must be GM. Before confirming, we have to see that if there are any word that is present in only equation 2 and equation 1. So no word is common in equation 1 and 2 except knowledge. So the code must be GM. Option number B is the correct option. Here you can see the code for each is ML and the code for knowledge is GM. Next question. Question number 3. If lions are animals is coded as 537. Tigers are hungry is coded as 636. Then what is the code for herbs are green? In the given question, the number of letters in each word is coded as lions have 5 letters, so it is coded as 5, and R has 3 letters, so it is coded as 3, and animals has 7 letters, so it is coded as 7. So the code for lions are animals is coded as 537. Similarly, tigers are hungry is coded as 636. In the same way, herbs are green is coded as 535. So option number B is correct. Next question, question number 4. If plastic causes pollution is written as ZSXDCF. Reduce air pollution is written as XDVGVH, and single-use plastic is written as BHNJCF. What is the code for plastic pollution? In this question, we have to find out the code for two words, that is plastic and pollution. Let's extract the data. Plastic causes pollution is equal to ZSXDCF. Reduce air pollution is coded as XDVGVH. Single use plastic is coded as BHNJCF. As we have to find out the code for plastic pollution, at first we have to find out the code for plastic. Plastic is present in equation 1 and equation 3. So we have to find out the letter which is present in both equation 1 and 3. You can see that CF is present in both equation 1 and 3. No other word is present commonly in equation 1 and 3. So the code for plastic must be CF. Next, we have to find out the code for pollution. As the word pollution is present in equation 1 and 2 only, its code must be in equation 1 and 2 only. That is, XD is present in equation 1 as well as equation 2, but it is not present in equation 3. So the code for pollution is XD. So the code for plastic pollution is XDCF. That is option number A is correct. Next question. If marker is black is coded as 2B do, and board is white is coded as MNSOBE. What is the code for each? In the given data, we have is common in both data. So the code for is must be common in both code. That is, B is common in both. So the code for is B. That is option number C. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.